Thank you for selecting Ciarra products. We will be pleased to serve you. Please make sure to read the instruction before using it. Unpack the product. Horizontally draw a straight line according to the installation height specified in the instruction manual with a leveling instrument. Take out the accessories required for installation from package. Take the hanging plate and place it on the horizontal straight line marked. The center of the circular mounting hole of the hanging plate coincides with the straight line, and draw 3 circular positioning holes. Drill 3 holes in the center of the circular positioning hole. Drive the expansion rubber plug into the hole and make it to be flush with the wall surface. Fix the hanging plate on the wall with screws. Take out the complete machine and hang on the hanging plate. Dismantle the filters, mark the positioning holes on both sides of the inner rear plate with pencil, and remove the complete machine. Drill 2 holes at the center of the circular positioning hole. Drive the expansion rubber plug into the hole and make it to be flush with the wall surface. Hang up the machine again. Fix the machine on the wall from the inside with screws. Install the filter. Fix the support bracket of the chimney on the back of the chimney with screws. Place the chimney on the top cover plate. Adjust it to level with a leveling instrument. Mark the oblong holes on the support bracket of the chimney with pencil. Remove the chimney and drill 2 holes at the center of the oblong holes. Drive the expansion rubber plug into the wall. Insert the air duct into the air outlet. Install the chimney assembly into the top cover plate. Fix the lower chimney on the wall with screws. Adjust it to level with a leveling instrument. Use a tape measure to draw the center point on the top of the lower chimney. Use a leveling instrument to draw a vertical line along the center point. Draw a horizontal line through the apex of the vertical line. The support bracket, align the horizontal line and mark the oblong holes. Drill 2 holes in the center of oblong holes. Drive the expansion rubber plug into the hole. Fix the support bracket on the wall with screws. Lift the air duct and the upper chimney, and lock both sides of the upper chimney with screws. Lock both sides of the bottom of the chimney on the top cover plate with screws. Turn on all buttons one by one. And observe whether they are normal. If there is no abnormalities, the installation is completed. Thanks for watching.